Yo, what is up? Today we got my boy Jesse here.
What's poppin'?
Another person that we always hang out with, and we got his truck over here. And we're gonna try to hook up a spare tire mount for him. So we're gonna see how that goes. It's gonna be kind of a boring day, but we got to get something out. So yeah. And then maybe after we might do some other things around the property that might need to get done. But let's just get on with this. So first thing that we're gonna have to do is mark out his little area for his bolt, and for some reason this tire mount only has one bolt, so I don't think it's gonna be all that great, but we'll see.
Hey, we're good at redneck rigging things. We'll find a way if needed to.
Go ahead and take it off.
All right.
This is the one bolt we're gonna be using with one nut.
I measured
one
it.
washer.
I measured it very horribly too. Very horribly. This is how I measured it.
This is how he measured it. Right here.
Hey, it covered the hole, so I measured it.
All right. If it works, it works.
That's mean.
Go ahead and drip some. There ain't nothing under this, right?
Nope.
Ain't no fill lines, nothing?
No, shouldn't be. Let me take a peek, see.
Guess I'll let you take a peek before I just start blasting. Go ahead and get up under there.
No, I ain't seeing no fuel lines. Everything's under metal.
All right. Kind of working.
Pop it like right in the middle.
That's what. I'm not gonna lie, low-key, I have a feeling that's where it's gonna be. But if needed to, we'll put a hole in there.
Do you know what Jesse did with that oil?
Yeah, so right here on the bumper.
Yeah.
Here, I got you.
Oh, and we got one more person behind the camera today. We got.
Yeah, but it doesn't
boy,
fit in that
Lincoln.
one.
So he's my cameraman today. Cause I'm making Jackson help today.
Yeah, it might be under that.
Get him more down there. There you go. That's good.
God damn.
Damn.
Let's take a peek, see where that came out.
Yeah, remember what we said there, Jesse?
Oh, it's gonna be under that. Yep. It is under that unit.
What?
There's a bar perfectly stretched across where we're trying to put our fucking in.
Yeah.
So can you get to it?
No.
If we drill a hole.
Well, then we'll have to figure out that.
True.
Get what they're looking at.
Hard drill.
Scoot it up about what?
3 inches?
Yeah.
Right here.
Like my kind of 3 inches, or like your kind of 3 inches?
What is that supposed to mean?
What does it mean when it goes blank?
Saying like my 3 inches might be a little bit smaller than yours.
So then, there's a little bar that's covering where the hole's at. It's a little problem we ran into, but if we scoot it up about, what, an inch or 3 inches? 3 inches or so, it should. You'll be able to get it and be all good. Coming up. You need oil?
That should be good right now.
You see the light, Jackson? You see the light? You got the bigger one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Interesting. There you go.
Alright. Will the bolt fit through that?
Should.
Alright. Put the washer on. My fault.
Oh, you good?
Alright, you're all good.
On it?
Yep.
You're still on it?
Yep.
Still on it?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah. Feel how hot that is. Holy sh.
Torquing the shit out of
Put your finger in it.
I don't want to.
Yeah, we'll just do 2 little tack welds.
You want to do 2 little tack welds?
Yeah. So that way, if I ever need to take out, we can just bust them.
All right. We're going to weld that bad boy on there. It's what we call a certified permanent modification.
There we go.
Sweet.
That bitty ain't going nowhere.
Certified.
Yeah. Certified redneck. Certified redneck engineering right there. That's what that is.
Now, either we do my red truck or the white truck. We'll figure it out in the next clip.
Grab another Arizona. Yeah.
All right, so our next problem is the red truck. That is our next project on the property. And
Get rid of this
we gotta
duct tape.
fix these running lights. They're pretty loose, so got some parts for that, and I'm gonna fix those.
Jesus.
So, with these bad boys right here, just some little clips. That's all I need. So we're gonna slap these into that. So.
Not supposed to drop it. Damn it.
Oh, bad, no bad. All right, next truck.
This little right here is the blue bolt that we're gonna be getting. Looks about to be an 8. And then same dealio right there. I'm hoping it's catching it. There, little shiny bolt. Alright, there you go, bud.
Sure. All right, pump. Go ahead and hold it. Keep holding it. Bro, for some reason, there's just like no pressure. Go ahead and release. I'm gonna show you what you guys missed. So we bled that tire, that tire, that tire, and this tire. And the brakes pretty much work now, just they're not that great. So I'd like to adjust them a little bit more. So how we're gonna do that is right back here. There's a little plug for an adjuster. And of course, Jesse didn't put that side back in, so that side's gonna be gone. But come up in here, you remove this. And then right up in there, I don't think you guys can see. Oh yeah, you guys can. There's that little gear right there. And when you rotate that, it'll make a little click. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear the click, but let's see. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but that was pretty quiet. So, but yeah, this is what'll adjust your drum brakes out to grab the wall better. So, I'm gonna see. 2. I'm gonna do one more. 3. One more. One more. One more. 5. I'm gonna put this plug back in. Come on. There it goes. Should I come up in there? Find that gear. That was like 2. 3, 4, 5. I don't even know if I was showing what I was doing, to be honest. I'll find out later when I'm editing. That isn't a problem for me right now. Ugh. But I guess we're gonna go find that dust cap because we kind of need that before we go cruising around seeing if the brakes are good. So I'm gonna go run around and try to find the dust cap. Well, we got her started, but she is not wanting to idle right now. Every time I let off, it just wants to kill itself. So just sitting here babysitting it till it gets warm. Might stay. Nope. And it backfiring a lot too, so we'll see. Well, it's finally idling, so we will probably go take it out, drive it around for a while, try to burn up all this old gas. Maybe we'll put some premium in it, and maybe that'll fix the idling. If not, I might have to turn up the idle a little bit because it's a pretty rough idle, but I don't really know how to turn up the idle on one of these. If any of you guys do though, you guys should drop a comment, let me know. But for now, we're just gonna rip it and see if the problem goes away. So I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna start taking it out. Well, as we look at the truck seat right now, that'll probably be the it for the rest of this one. Glad my buddy Jesse came out, helped out, gave me some content. I didn't really have any ideas today, so
Thanks
he came
for helping
out.
me out.
Oh yeah, of course, boy. Came out, gave me a chance to get my brain to moving. So we got all this done, and then we got the brakes all done with that. So this is finally actually done. I'm actually really excited about that. I can't wait to do more videos with this and probably go camping with this guy.
Oh my God.
We're gonna try to get some bangers out, but who knows. And then we got the headlights on this. I mean, that was kind of an iffy thing because the headlights are still pretty messed up, but we'll work more on that a different time. But
Probably do some more stuff to my rig as well.
probably, but for now, that'll probably be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. Please drop a comment, like, or subscribe, whatever you feel is needed. And if you didn't like it, well, my bad. Sorry. But I think that'll do it for this one.
Yeah.
So thank you guys, and
Y'all
peace
have
out.
a good one.